Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by setting your composition to 30 FPS and resolution to 1920 x 1080 for consistency. Import your footage and scrub to the ideal frame for tracking point contrast. Open the tracker panel and choose point, planar, or 3D camera track based on surface depth and motion in the scene. Planar track works well on flat surfaces like signs. 3D camera track is best for complex parallax and moving camera shots. Create a new null object now to collect tracking data for later use. Select the footage layer and add a point track if the target has a clear contrast area. Set a 5-frame search range and track forwards or backwards until the track stays locked. For planar surfaces, use the Mocha plugin and export corner pin data or transform. After a successful track, click Apply and target the null object to receive the tracking data. Parent your text layer to the null so the text follows motion. Use a 50-pixel offset or manual keyframes to place the text exactly where you want it. Refine the motion by adding a smooth expression to the null position with a value between 3, 5, and 15 depending on jitter severity. Stabilize remaining microshake by keyframing position and rotation adjustments over short spans of 5 to 8 frames. Stylize the text using scale, rotation, and blur. Set motion blur with a 100% shutter angle for natural streak. If objects pass in front, roto the foreground and use that matte to occlude the text. Finally, render using an appropriate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.